Okay, خامس. Good morning, teacher. Let's continue. Newspapers اللي هو page 76. Okay. Now they are talking about the newspaper now at the present يعني بالوقت الحاضر. Okay. Yeah. Let's start. We have newspapers in the morning and in the evening every day of the week. So we have a question here. When or عفوا اللي هو what is اللي هو what do newspaper appear now اللي هو every day. So when do newspaper appear now اللي هو every day of the week. تمام. And millions of papers are sold all over the world. Sometimes some newspapers have lots of pages and sometimes there is a separate magazine inside it too. So what is sometimes inside the newspaper magazine? As you note in our magazine, we in our newspaper sometimes we have a new magazine inside it, right? It refers to newspapers. Okay يا خامس؟ طيب. First of all, reporters go to the scene of the news story and find out هون عندنا phrasal verb يا خامس. What happened? They write about it. Isn't they write about it? Okay. So we have a question here. What do reporters do? So what do the reporters do? اللي هم find out the answer. We find out what happened at the scene. Okay. And then write about it. Then or they write about it. They home it refers to the reporters يا خامس. So it refers to the reporter. Okay. هلا photographers take pictures. Okay. So what does the photographer do? Takes pictures. ياخدون صور يعني. Number 3, the editor اللي هم reads the reporter's work and decides what will be in the paper. So what does the editor do? اللي هم decides عفوا decides okay what will go in the paper. Okay. Now if there are mistakes the editor will change some words. So who will change the mistakes? اللي هم the editor. Sometimes an editor says hold the front page. This means, so what does it mean hold in the front page? This means a story is very good and will appear on the front page instead of something else. As we said, if you put something in the front page, that is something is very important and it contains information is so important. Okay, so it will be printed on the front page. Okay, and it's very exciting for the reporter who wrote it. Okay, it اللي هو the news or something for it refers to the news will appear on the front page. Okay, the story on the next page was written by a young reporter. So the next page was written by a young reporter. It is a front page news. It هون راجعة the next or the story on the next page. Okay, so it will be or it is in the front page news. تمام يا خامس. So we have reporters, we have photographers, and we have editor. Reporters اللي هم find out what happened about the scene of the news story. Photographer takes pictures, and editor decides what will be in the front paper and change if they have some mistakes. Okay يا خامس. طيب. Now write it in your student book all the information. Okay يا خامس.